Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can run promotion SMS campaign in Klaviyo. So let's get started. SMS campaigns are basically text messages you send directly to your subscribers' phones, and they're super effective because people almost always open and read them instantly. To get started, you first need a Klaviyo account with SMS enabled and, of course, subscriber consent, since only people who have opted in can receive your texts. Once that's set, you can create a campaign from the Campaigns tab, choose SMS, and select the audience you want to target, whether it's your full subscriber list, a VIP segment, or customers who abandoned their carts. Then you write your message, keeping it short and clear while adding personalization, emojis, or even an image or GIF for extra engagement. Make sure to include a link so customers can act right away on your promotion. When everything looks good, you can either send it immediately or schedule it for the perfect time. After sending, Klaviyo gives you real-time performance tracking so you can see how many people clicked, converted, or even how much revenue came from that campaign. And you can use AI-powered optimization and AB testing to improve future sends. And that's how you create a high-impact promotional SMS campaign in Klaviyo that grabs attention and drives results. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.